parents. So today it's night as I'm filming this video because my parents are asleep. So yeah. So I have come across on a new recipe for slime. I got some of it from this book. You guys may have seen it on like another one of my videos. Okay, so now what you're going to be needing for this recipe is of course activator, glue, and also some shampoo. This is Pantene shampoo, 2-in-1. The 2-in-1 will work a lot. And of course I have shaving cream and lotion, which I will measure later. Right here I have a Tupperware. I don't know what it is, but it's just good. Okay, so let's get the glue. Add as much as you want. Okay. So I'm gonna get a spoon to line the top. Just do it. Okay. Okay, it's starting to get a lot thicker. It's starting to become thicker. Okay. I don't really care if there's still some shampoo right there. I'm just gonna add about 5 to 6 squirts. It's already become slime, and I haven't even put the activator in. I'm gonna add the shaving cream. A little bit. And then I'm gonna get the activator. Put it in. It's already slime, and I only added a little bit of activator. Okay, right now I'm like, have this eye contact lens solution. I'm going to use a little bit because it kind of helps with the slime. Okay, I can maybe a little bit more. Like I have to do with my hand. Okay. Okay. Sticky. and stretchy. I like this recipe. Ow! It's actually kind of sticky. When your slime's sticky, put some activator on your hands. Then see what happens. Still sticky, then I can't help you. So that's pretty much it for today. I forgot to color it. Let me do a light blue. I want to do a dark one. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications and comment down below when you're done. And I'm going to be doing a slime giveaway. It could be, and I'm going to be picking the winner in a couple of probably probably when I post in 2 videos. So this is when the next one I'll probably announce the winner. All you have to do is just comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll put my Musical.ly down below so that then you guys can follow me there. And I will give you guys a second entry for the slime eating contest. You guys can get one of these slimes. Normal fluffy one or crunchy one. The crunchy one might be a little bit, if you choose the crunchy one, then it'll probably be a little bit late, but yeah. So let's pretty much it. So yeah. And don't forget, if you're not smart, then you're doing it wrong.